To integrate Afterpay with Magento, start by understanding the basics of both platforms. Afterpay is a payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, while Magento is an e-commerce platform for building online stores. First, check if your Magento version is compatible with the Afterpay extension. Most recent versions of Magento support Afterpay integration, but it's essential to verify compatibility before proceeding. Next, install the Afterpay extension on your Magento store. This can be done through the Magento Marketplace or by manually uploading the extension files to your store's directory. After installing the extension, configure the Afterpay settings in your Magento store. This includes entering your Afterpay merchant ID, API key, and other relevant details. Ensure that the API mode is set to production to avoid test transactions from being processed. Set up the payment method in your Magento store by going to the Payment Methods section and selecting Afterpay as the payment option. Configure the payment method settings, such as the title, description, and payment action, to ensure seamless integration. Test the Afterpay payment method with a test order. This will help you identify any potential issues and resolve them before going live. Once you've successfully integrated Afterpay with your Magento store, provide clear instructions to your customers on how to use the payment method. This includes displaying the Afterpay logo and payment terms on your product pages and during the checkout process. Best practices for Afterpay Magento integration include regularly updating the extension to ensure compatibility with the latest Magento versions and security patches. Additionally, monitor your store's performance and optimize the integration as needed to provide a smooth customer experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your Magento store and offer your customers a convenient and flexible payment option. This integration can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction, making it a valuable addition to your e-commerce platform.